One of the toughest parts of being Prime Minister is when the voters evict you. And tonight, as the Morrisons prepare to leave the official residence of the PM, more packing is underway at their southern Sydney home, where a Shire local is also on the move.
While the Morrisons began moving out today, the family station wagon spotted leaving Kirribilli House. Down in the Shire, Nikki Durant was also packing up after spending 2 months at the Morrisons.
Mate, it's been incredible. I can't thank them enough. I would have been stuck if I had nowhere to go.
Nikki had just moved from the Shire to Woodburn a week before the town and her new home sank beneath floodwater.
I used to clean Jenny's pool, and I rang Jenny up and kind of asked for help.
And Nikki needed help, her house unlivable.
So I made the call and here I am. So I didn't have to think about it too much more because, you know, Jenny opened the door to me and I came here. I haven't actually met Scott, but Jenny, she's just gorgeous, gorgeous lady. She said, you've got until election time, so here I am.
So Nikki, her sons Lucas and Max and Henry the dog took up their new digs, rent-free. But with the election now done...
Unfortunately, Scott lost. That's very sad, but I have to move on now so they can move back in.
Fortuitously, Nick's house up the coast is ready for the plasterers.
And my timbers have pretty much dried out now up in Woodburn, so I can start the rebuild.
The pool cleaner and her mum grateful for a port in a storm.
How lovely it was for you to let my daughter stay in your house because no other Prime Minister would do it, I'm quite sure.
She didn't know me that well. She'd only met me maybe 3 or 4 times, so it just says what a beautiful person she is to do that. I've been through a pretty rough time the last, 8 months or so, so you really saved the day, guys, so thank you so much. I don't know what else I would have done.
Mike Dalton, 9 News.